Hello, my name is Mike Stewart and I'm with TechEasy PC Repair. And today I'd like to share with you 5 tips to help your Windows 10 computer run more efficiently. The 5 tips are how to uninstall unwanted or old programs, how to install and run a cleaner, how to view the amount of memory or RAM installed on your computer, how to check your computer's hard drive capacity and free space, and how to disable programs from starting when you power on your computer. The first tip is uninstall unwanted or old programs. Your computer comes with a lot of default programs that you may or may not ever use. By uninstalling those programs, you free up hard drive space and also resources that will allow your computer to run more efficiently. The first step is to click on the Start button, which is on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Then you want to click on the Gear button, which is 2 icons up on the window that opens. And then you want to click on Apps. And then you want to click on the program that you want to uninstall. And then you want to click Uninstall. Tip number 2, how to install and run a cleaner. I recommend a program called CC Cleaner. It is a free program that will analyze your hard drive for junk files and help you delete them, and this will significantly increase your computer's efficiency. So the first step is to go to the website listed on the screen and then click on the green download button. Make sure you don't click on either of the blue buttons. Those are paid and they're going to want you to pay for the program. Download and install the program. And then during the installation process, be sure to uncheck any option to install additional programs. Now, once the program is installed, it's going to open up to a screen like this. And your first step is to click on the Analyze button. The system's going to go through and analyze your computer. That could take up to 15, up to 20 minutes even. And it's going to do an analysis. After the analysis is complete, note how much junk is going to be removed from your computer, and then click Run Cleaner. Now, an added benefit of this program is it's going to empty your recycle bin. This is the place where all your files go when you delete them from your computer. Tip number 3, how to check the amount of RAM or memory that's installed on your computer. A lot of times computers come with a specific amount of memory or RAM installed, and your computer may have the capacity to even double that, which would allow your computer to run so much faster. So the first step is to click on the Manila folder button at the bottom of the screen. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, you want to right-click on this PC and select Properties. And that's going to bring up another window that's going to tell you the particular edition of Windows 10 that you're running, and then there's an item called Installed Memory or RAM. Take note of that, and if you'd like me to check the capacity for your particular computer, contact me. I'd be happy to find out what the capacity is and let you know whether you can upgrade that, which again would significantly improve the performance of your computer. Tip number 4, check the hard drive capacity and free space on your computer. The first step is to click on the Manila folder button at the bottom of the screen. Then you want to, on the left-hand side of the screen, left-click on this PC. And that's going to bring up another window that's going to have a list of the hard drives that are installed on your computer. View the capacity of the C drive and the free space. Now, a lot of times if you're storing photos or a lot of videos, that can fill up your hard drive very quickly and slow down your computer. So an option to make your computer run more efficiently would be to move those photos and videos to an external hard drive and free up that hard drive space and get your computer running more efficiently. Tip number 5 is to disable programs from starting when you power on your computer. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you want to left-click on the up arrow, and that's going to display a list of programs that run when your computer is starting up or when you power it on. So the first step is to right-click on the icon of the program, and look for a more or options button. And that's going to open up another window where you may have to click through the different tabs, and then you want to uncheck the box next to Start with Windows. If you have any questions or need help with any of these tips, please contact me at the phone number on the screen, or you can email me, and I'd be happy to walk you through going through any of these tips that you may or may not understand how to do, and there'll be no charge. Again, my name is Mike Stewart, and I'm a Techies PC Repair, and I help people fall in love with technology. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.